Good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Zé. I trust you had a fantastic day. If not, that's fine too. This is the perfect place to be. This is where we do some wonderful creative things, share creative ideas, kick out our shoes and relax. So once again, thank you so much for being here. I made this heart-shaped concrete bowl, and I would like to share this with you and also how I made it. I have placed a little tea light candle on the inside. This is the and I think it is just too precious and too sweet not to share. Concrete was very new to me a year ago. I only started then, trying a brand new medium, wanting to do something new for my home and my garden, but the way I wanted it to. And I want to share with you how I did this and show you the easiest ways, shortcuts for me in the concrete jungle, if that's what you want to call it. I'm going to zoom it in a bit closer so you can see better. Okay, so this is the heart-shaped pot that I found. It's rather soft, but it's got holes all over. If I show you here, you will see I filled up the holes. I filled up some of the holes with a bit of glitter. It was the only heart-shaped pot I could find that day. I covered it with tape, thoroughly, completely, all over. I put a small amount, like 1.5 centimeter of concrete into the bowl. Then I shake it like this, whack, 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 whack on the table to get out the air bubbles and get it even. My table is level. I leveled it. It's very important to work on a level surface, otherwise your stuff will always be skew. Because cement is wet and water seeks its own level, then you will always have skew things. Now, I oiled it thoroughly on the inside those little holes, and fill it up with cement up to here. And then shake, shake, bang, 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 bang on the table to get out all the air bubbles and to get the cement to flow evenly. Then I take this little pot, and it's full of sand, but I've covered it in a plastic bag and also used the same tape and taped its bottom to make it more even. Because it's always tricky to get your pots out of cement. Even when you oil them, quite often you will crack or break the very thing you make. And I had to find a way for myself to make things easier and feel more confident in what I do when it comes to concrete. So I'm sharing this with you, saving you hundreds and hundreds of broken pots and adding fun to this whole process. So now, this is the easy part. I just open and lift it out. Quick, 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 quick. Very quick. And then I take my bag and I pull it. As you can see, it has some tape around the end to make it like this. Now, it is very easy to either smooth out your pot with more cement, make your hole. This is still wet because I made it last night. If you like the patterns, you might as well leave them, because this is also a very versatile bowl. You can use it in your bathrooms to keep your shampoo and your conditioner bottles, little plants. Use it in table decorations in thousands of ways. Use it as the theme of a party. And it's simple and it's easy. Let me see. I also covered the bottom because this bottom is also full of little holes. And all you do now, as you can see, it's already loose. And then you take it out. But I want to leave it for another day. I'm going to make a little hole inside just now. I'm using a sharp knife and I just go ching, 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 ching until it's there. And once I take it out, I complete the hole. So, let me just zoom up again. I hope this heart, concrete shaped, wonder full of magic idea spark a million more ideas for you, for friends, family, your home, and for yourself in so many ways to enhance your garden and your home. Take care, be blessed, and thank you for being here. Ciao for now.